Okay, I gotta share this with you. This is one of my favorite things in the world, and I think that it's going to serve you around editing your book. Editing can be very, very scary, copy and line editing. And all those voices come up, the inner critic telling us that we're not enough, telling us that our idea isn't rare, telling us that no one's gonna like our book, that fear, that part of us that's trying to protect us, but it's not all of us. So I want to invite you to view editing, copy and line editing, developmental structural editing in a new way. One of my favorite things is when I get a book like this one by a great writer and they share their scripts. They share scripts they've written and the edits that were made, the collaboration, the dancing that was done with the words to make it better. Here's another one of my favorites. Legendary comedian Miranda Hart, sitcom Miranda. We're going to open this book up. It's her episodes. Ooh, what's this? It's my favorite way to do a bookmark. It's nothing hotter than an empty tea packet marking a book, right? Look at that. Look at that. This book is all of the first edition scripts, then her edits made to them. So I invite you to do the same. Consider it a beautiful dance with words.